Welcome to the 7th episode in the Surf Neck Rebellion called Sliding on Your Elbow. It will increase your flexibility. Please sit at the edge of your chair, your feet flat on the floor. Place both elbows and hands on the table, one hand on top of the other. Lift the hand that's on top and let your cheek rest in your hand. The elbow stays on the table. Look straight ahead. Let the elbow that supports your head slide toward the other elbow. You slide on the inside of the arm that's resting on the table. Your head leans in your hand. The cheek and ear come closer to the table. Slide slowly back into upright. Keep the hand on your cheek all the time. With the long-sleeved shirt, your elbow slides easy on the table. Continue to slide your elbow towards the other elbow. Come up again, slow and easy. Take a short break with your arms resting in any comfortable way. Time to change sides. Start with both hands and forearms on the table. Put the other hand on your cheek. Tilt your head slightly into your hand and slide away on the inside of your resting arm. Slide back so you look straight ahead again, several times, softly. How close is your ear to the table? Can you have some fun as you slide along on your elbow? Time for a break and sit upright. Now we alternate. One hand on the cheek and the other hand is on the table. Slide your elbow on the inside toward the other elbow and back. Change hand so that the other elbow moves on the table. And when you come back, change hands again. Alternately, the right elbow on the table slides to the left, and the next time the left elbow goes to the right. One cheek come closer to the table, the next time the other cheek. Once right and the next left. Is it easier for you to bend to one side than the other? This may be enough for the time being. Feel free to repeat this whenever you like. See you soon for the next episode. Bye bye.